Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. So what do we expect in the market? Actually, the market is still struggling, guys. The market is still struggling. Yes, we did see some breakouts going to the upside. We did so that, but now the market is back on consolidation. But that doesn't change that we are still on bullish move. We have to also think about that. So don't forget that I will be sending after I send this daily analysis, I'll then send the video about the trading plan that I was talking about yesterday. Actually, I did it yesterday later, and then I was unable to send the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your friends. So let's see what's really happening in the market. Let's see what's really happening in the market. For those who wants to join the team, guys, the prices are still very low. The prices are still very low. 12 months or yearly and VIP signals is $150. Monthly, it's only $45. So let's go straight to the chat. I hope you're doing great, guys. I hope you're doing great. So what do we see actually? I can say it's quite easier on my side. What I see is I can easily see that the market here on Bitcoin, don't forget this is Bitcoin, as we always start with Bitcoin. I can easily see that the market is actually on bearish move. Can you see that? The market is actually still on that bearish move. So, but around this area, we also had something as a resistance. But if we go closer there, the market just gave us some sort of a breakout. A fake, not fake breakout. This was a very nice breakout. The market pushed the upside. Guess what? The market is now back around that level again. It shows that the market is actually struggling. The market is still seriously struggling, by the way. So, which means that, yeah, sometimes, yes, these areas we can say maybe they are the best areas that we can buy, as these are the lowest areas. But the market is still under pressure also. So we have to, if maybe you go in, you just have to use like very low risk, because anything is possible. The market can still push lower, as the market is still respecting that downtrend, as we are still on a downtrend, by the way. So the best thing that you can do is try to apply risk management. But what I see is it's a very nice structure that shows us that it's still on a bearish move. As long as this area is not broken, we're still going to say the market is still on a downtrend. After, if it's broken, then we're gonna say something different. We will say something different if we only see the market breaking that. You see, so we are on DAX40 or German 30 or yeah, German 40 or German 30. So what's really happening here? And this one I think is quite straightforward. It's clear. What I see is, yes, the market was on a very nice downtrend, but few days ago we saw the market break in that area. Do you see that? The market just broke out of that area, and what we see here is we see the market trying to push to the upside. Now it created something like a resistance. Now it's coming back here. Then it seems like the market is actually giving us a sort of a ranging move. The market is actually creating this sort of a move, but we are aware of that, and we are not even maybe confused. Actually, we are not confused on what's really happening. What I can do is I will just wait for the market to jump this resistance before I can say it's time for us to do what, to buy. But besides that, I'm not forced to take any trade. I'm not forced, guys. We don't have to force trade just because some people they just want to be in the market non-stop. I don't know why, but they just want to be in the market. You see. So yeah, I hope you see what I'm trying to explain. We're waiting for the breakout, then we can say we can only buy, because now the market is showing us that actually this is an uptrend, unless if the market keeps going lower. But now, or currently, I'm thinking about buying. So let's go to the next one. The next one is actually gold. This is gold actually. So what I see is here the market actually also everything was on bearish, guys. You can easily see that things were like seriously struggling. Everything was on a bearish move, and after a few days we saw that actually previous days we saw a very nice breakout, but the market is actually playing this game with us here, that we can call it a ranging market. So we don't really have to participate actually on this ranging market. So let's wait for the market to give us something. I know maybe sometimes when you draw maybe this resistance area here, it might not be perfect. It's possible it might be not be perfect because the market is just playing around. You can see the market went up, went down, went up, but when we check, the market was just playing around the same level. So which means we are actually on what? Ranging market. So we're gonna have some nice buy areas above this area. And it's funny because it's like everything that we that we analyze here, mostly it just gives us that ranging. You will see the other one. So we're just waiting for the market to break that. It seems like this uptrends or bullish move, they are not really they don't have that momentum. You see, they don't really have that momentum. So we are on US oil. We are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? It's the same thing that we were trying to explain a few days ago. Still the same, by the way. The market is still on bullish move as the oil is like seriously expensive these days, or because of the war and other stuff. So what's really happening? But it's not because of war, because even before the war, the oil prices were still going up. So I think war is just something that maybe made things worse, or maybe we'll just give the excuse and say maybe the war, but the prices were still going up. The reason behind that, you can't really know, you see. So what's really happening now? We see that actually the market is on this uptrend. Now the market gave us a counter trend line, and which means which shows that the market is actually trying to respect that and push the upside, and which is something that we want. I think this is a nice structure that we can say maybe we can have something like this. Maybe we can have something like this. You see, we can have something like that going up. If the market wants to push the upside, then it will find our order, then will be activated. The order will be executed, then we can start to be in profit. Yes, there is a possibility for the market maybe to break this area and push the lower side. There is that possibility. So you should be aware of that. So let's push the next one. I don't really want to make these videos very long. So guys, don't forget that we have a mentorship. If you want to learn, there is a mentorship that you can learn from. It's actually, let me show you that. You can see it's 150 yearly signals and mentorship. On mentorship level, it's where I'm going to teach you everything. If you know that you're struggling, there's no point trying to trade. If you see that things are not going well, it's much better for you just to learn before you go trade, because you're still gonna lose that. You're still going to lose that. So I hope maybe you're gonna see that and maybe change the way you approach the market, because some of you don't even have a trading plan, which is seriously bad, unfortunately. But maybe you can learn not only from me, get someone who's going to teach you this. There's so many people that you can learn from. There's so many channels that you can go and try to learn. But the best thing that I can tell you is find someone who is already in the market and then try to learn from them. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. US30. On US30, what do we see on US30? We see that actually the market is actually consolidating. The market is actually consolidating. So what do we do when the market is consolidating? No, we are aware of this type of moves. We are aware of this type of moves. The market pushes higher after the breakout. Then after the market do something like this, and that's something that creates an uptrend. That is something that creates uptrend. You see, the market might start to create something like that. So I'm expecting the market to consolidate a little bit before we see some stronger move again. Remember, tomorrow we have NFP. That is NFP. So expect the market to go crazy. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down, but just expect the market to go crazy. Maybe we'll see some sort of breakouts and we can keep buying. But I've been tracking this market since yesterday. You can see that the market actually did not actually create anything. The market is still around that consolidation since 30th of May. I think it's 30th of May. It was since Monday and now it's Thursday. So it means we did not actually have some trades. You saw that even on our live session. It means we did not have actually trades, which is not really good. For those people who just want to trade, then it's bad for them because they will be saying, oh, this guy doesn't send the signal. Yes, I don't send the signals when I don't see anything. So, but it's something that you should learn, guys. It's something that you should learn, and you should learn to wait. If there's nothing that is happening, learn to wait. You see. Yeah, so what I'm expecting the market to push the upside. Then from there, it's where we can buy. Then maybe the market will push up. If that is not going to happen, maybe we will see the market going down. That is also possible, by the way. That is also possible. And there's nothing we can do, by the way. We just have to let the market give us the structure. Then we follow the structure. So, what do we see on NASDAQ? Please, guys, if you are new here, please smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. The channel is growing very nicely. We are on 3.6. I'm hoping that maybe month end will be maybe on 4K or 4,000 subscribers. Please, guys, share the channel, share with your friends. Then I will also try my best to share the best information, something that maybe might help you to grow in this market. So what do we see on NASDAQ? We can easily see that, we had a very straightforward, this was very nice, very, very straightforward downtrend, by the way. It was a very serious downtrend, very strong, by the way. Let me just mark this area. There is a possibility that the market might come around that, but the market will also create something for us, you see. Or, yeah, let me just stop it there, sorry. So, I'm expecting a ranging move, and it's funny because I also talked about this thing. I don't know, maybe if is this on our daily analysis or maybe on the training, but I did talk about this area. So what's really happening here is, yes, we did mark this area. We thought maybe the market was creating some sort of a move. We had a buy pending order. It took us out as the market was going down, but later we started to understand that actually the market is actually ranging. Remember, guys, there's nothing wrong with getting things wrong. The best thing that you can do is, once you get things wrong, make sure that you learn from your mistakes. I always learn every day. I always learn. I always see my mistakes. Why? Because I'm not perfect. But by doing that, I learn so much stuff because I'm not lazy to say, let me just check something out. Maybe I can learn something from that. And then tomorrow we're not going to get, or we're not going to do the same mistakes, you see. So what I'm expecting here is, obviously you can now see that we are actually on a ranging structure. The structure is showing us that the market is actually ranging. So I'm expecting the market to do that before maybe we see a breakout to the upside, which I'm expecting that to happen because we just broke out of that downtrend. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside, you see. So if that upside is not happening, maybe we're gonna see some sort of breakout on the support area. Maybe we can start to change our mind and say, hey, maybe that uptrend was like fake move or something. Then we will see from there. But I'm expecting the market to break this resistance before we take any trade. Yes, even here on NASDAQ, the last time we saw the market here, it was Monday, this last Monday. And today is Thursday. It's like almost 4 days. It's 4 days. So it means since that day, since Monday, going down here, we never had any trade. The trade that we had, we took a loss because the market created structure like this. We thought maybe after the breakout, the market will push up, but the market did not do that. So it means since then, since actually Monday, we don't have any actual trade, and which I know it might make other people angry and say, oh, we don't have signals. No, we have signals, but if we have signals only when there's some opportunities, we don't just jump on the market. Remember, profitable traders, they don't like trade non-stop. They know when to trade and they know when to stop or to wait. Simple as that. So don't forget that, guys. I just made a video for you on a trading plan. So I'm expecting you to watch that. I will send that video after. I'm expecting you to go watch that. If maybe there's something that you do not understand, you can just comment, and maybe I'll try maybe to see what I can do. Maybe I can send another video or maybe create another video just to make sure that you understand from that. But once I send that video, I expect maybe later on during the day when we go live, maybe you can have some questions if you do not understand something. But I hope you're going to learn something from that. But I know not everyone's going to learn everything, but few of you, I know they're going to get something from that, and maybe that might help you. See, if that helps you, that's great. That's great. Don't forget to like that video if you feel like it's trying to help. I'm trying to help you, by the way. So if that is it's something that you really want, that's great. That's great. But if you want to join the team and learn more, if you want to join the team and learn more, you can see that it's $150 a month, yearly, like annual, 12 months straight, mentorship and VIP signals, or you pay only $150. If you want monthly signals, guys, it's only $45. Simple as that. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.